Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can disable or turn off your two-step verification on Roblox. So first of all, if you want to turn off something, you need to make sure that it's also turned on. So by that I mean, for you to turn off your two-step verification on Roblox, it must also be set up. And how do you do that? Well, I think you should know. That's probably why you are checking out this video in the first place. So first, let's log into our Roblox account, and it's gonna ask us for a two-step verification. I think. Yes, there it is. So right now I have set it to my email, and it has given me my code, and I'm just gonna write it down. Verify. And we don't want that anymore. We don't want to put that much of security to our account anymore. So how do we remove it? We go to settings right here, and then settings, yes, and then security, and then here you will see the two-step verification part of the security. And as you can see, I have my email turn on. So you just need to flick the switch to turn it off and write down your account pin, and it should unlock. Yep, confirm, and there you go. Two-step verification is no more. That is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye.